This is question number 30 on the January 2017 Algebra 2 Common Core Regents. And this is a straightforward algebra question, kind of a literal equation. And we are told, given the equal terms, the cube root of x to the fifth and y to the 5/6, determine and state y in terms of x. What this means is get y equals some function of x. So we are told that these are equal terms. And what we want to do is get y by itself. Now, what we have here is we have an radical form here and then an exponential form here. Let's get them both into exponential form. That will make this problem a heck of a lot easier. So for this, we need to remember the law of exponents, that x to the a over b is the b root of x to the a. So if I have x to the fifth under a third root, I'm just going to rewrite this as x to the 5/3. So I will change this to x to the 5/3 is y to the 5/6. Now, we want y as a function of x, so we want y by itself. Well, how can we do that if y is currently being raised to the 5/6 power? We want to remember this property. If we have x to the a raised to the b, that's x to the ab. So if I want y to the power of 1, that would give me y by itself. What do I want to multiply this 5/6 by to get 1? Well, I want to multiply it by its reciprocal, 6/5. So what we're going to do is raise this to the 6/5 power. So when we have a power to a power, we can multiply the powers. And whatever we do to one side of the equation, we have to do to the other side of the equation as well. So what we get, these reduce to 1, 5/6 times 6/5, as was our intention. And now we have y by itself. Now what we can do is multiply here, and you can do this two ways. You can either do just multiply straight across, we get 30 over 15, and then y equals x squared. Or we could simplify here, realize that 5 over 5 is 1 and 6 over 3 is 2. Either way is perfectly fine. Both get us the same answer.